Hi Taurus, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of February 21 is going to be for you. Month of February 21, it's a month of abundance. It's a month of new opportunities. It's a month of new things or new ideas coming your way. It's a month where you're going to reach closer to your goals. It's a month where things that you thought were not working out for you will give you sudden results. But this month, a few things that you need to take care of is: one, don't be afraid of taking steps. Second, don't get stuck into situations or don't juggle too much with things. Let things happen at their own pace, because the more you let things happen on their own pace, the better the things will happen. And second, also try avoiding any kind of struggle situations, like any kind of fight or indulging multiple people in your in your problems. So try avoiding that. If you do that, this month is a very good month for you, which will give you better relationships, some kind of gain and some kind of opportunities of moving towards your goal. If we talk about your health, the only issue that I see with your health this month is headaches. It could be headaches, it could be like body aches or headaches, majorly headaches which I see, and that is going to be if you think too much. Otherwise, it feels like off and on throughout the month there could be small little issues that will come up, they'll go away, they'll come up, they'll go away. There's nothing major in your health that I kind of see, and these issues also will only crop up if you are thinking too much, if you are actually worrying too much, thinking too much, being constantly on one thought. That is when these issues will happen. Otherwise, there is not much that I see on your cards. Also, just ensure that you don't hit, like you don't get hit on your head anywhere. So try avoiding any kind of physical fights, and also be careful while you're walking or while you are driving. Other than that, I don't see any kind of health issue happening for you this month. If we talk about your money situation, the center card is King of Pentacle, and then there is Two of Pentacle at your no space. So the cards are saying, and then there is Page of Cups. So it feels like something that you thought will not give you result, because there is Five of Cups in your past, will suddenly give you a good growth or money. So the money, this is a card of abundance, and because there's Page of Cups, suddenly money flowing into your life from some source. And now this is not a small sum of money, it is going to be like a big amount of money, or it is going to be the money which you were expecting not to come to you at all, and that money is going to come to you, which is going to be a reason for celebration. Now the only cautious thing that you have to take care of with that money coming into your life: don't get into negative energies, don't get into that hush energy. Oh God, the money has come, I don't know where to put it, where can I invest it, how do I deal with it? Because what will happen is, when you do this, because cosmos or nature is giving you something, it's giving you, or source or God, whatever you call it, it's giving you something. Now it's giving you something, an abundance, the money, and now your energies are getting disturbed, and you're getting scared with it. The cosmos, or whatever energy you believe in, whatever like God, cosmos, source, whatever you believe in, when they are giving it to you and you're getting into a negative zone, the message that you're sending back is that I don't deserve this, I'm scared to have this in my life. So don't have any kind of negative thought with regards to money coming into your life, or a huge sum of money coming into your life. Don't doubt your past investments. Don't think negative about anything in your life with regards to money. And don't think that if this will happen, how will I manage that? If that happens, how will I manage that? Give a very calm or composed thought about money. Don't think negative at all, and don't get into that zone of struggling with money issues or money matters. That's the only thing that I will tell you. Otherwise, money wise, it's a good month. I kind of feel that some kind of flow is going to happen unexpectedly for you, which will lead to situation like celebration as well. The only thing is, because there is Five of Wands, I would suggest you don't involve many people. If you get that kind of money, or if you get something unexpected, don't involve many people in it. Try to kind of keep it to yourself for a while. See how you would want to move ahead with that. Maybe share it with your partner and not many people. So the flow definitely is going to happen. If we talk about your relationships or love situation, the cards are positive. If you're looking forward to a relationship, if you're looking forward to some kind of proposal, if you're looking forward to get married, get engaged, the cards are positive about it. There is a possibility of some new proposal, some person coming into your life. There's a possibility of a relationship that was not working out to work out for you. There's a possibility seeing a relationship with long-term goals. There is a possibility where something you were afraid of into a relationship is going to go very, very smoothly. So all those possibilities are there. With all those possibilities being there, because there is 2 of Pentacles and there is 5 of Wands, I would say this month, if at all there is an argument that happens with your spouse or with your with your parent, anybody, your relation, any kind of relationship, there's an argument that happens, there's a problem or a struggle that happens, don't involve too many people in it. Try to keep it to yourself. Try to keep it to yourself and try to sort it between you and that person only. If you do that, that's going to sort out pretty well and you are going to have much more better relationships. If you indulge many people, the fight is going to become bigger. So that is why this month don't try to involve many people in your relationship problems. Otherwise, the cards are pretty positive. There's nothing to be scared of. If you're afraid of anything in your relationship, like if you're doubting your partner or anything like that, don't make it big. Don't get into fight for this. Because ideally it doesn't feel like that's the truth, and relationships are going to be more nurturing this month. Second, this month, if you're looking forward to get married, it's a positive month. If for the baby birth also, it's a positive month. I kind of feel initially 4-5 days there could be some struggle around it. So there could be like an engagement and then there could be a delay or a period of delay in between that engagement and marriage. But you don't have to be scared of that period of delay, because it's not then an end to it. It's actually a delay because a lot of people are getting involved in the process, and that's why the delay is happening. Another thing, if you're expecting your partner to take your relationship forward and you want to like get married to your boyfriend or girlfriend, that person is not taking those steps, and you are into a hurry to kind of, you're totally into haste, you want that person to take steps and you're getting indulged into the fights with that person, not advisable. Because ultimately when the time is right, that person will take steps, but right now is absolutely not the right time. So you don't have to kind of make a haste for it, or kind of try to get into fights for it, that you should make the decision or tell your parents or something, things like that. This month, take it easy, take it calmly. If we talk about your if your job and work situation, I kind of feel there is growth. I kind of feel there are opportunities. If something has not been working out for you, opportunities have not been coming out for you, it is going to come now. I feel opportunities coming into your life. I feel some kind of transfer, some kind of movement, some kind of celebration with regards to your career. There's a possibility that you see some things which will make you feel that your long-term goal is going to be established. So you'll see some traction there. Some things you might will have to take some final steps towards. So don't be scared. If you have to take some final steps, take final steps towards it. And there is a possibility where you've given an interview. Now between the final call and between they selecting you and that interview, or the last round of the interview, there is a delay. Now with that delay or the time lag, don't get disheartened. It's not a denial, because it feels like ultimately it will come back to you. The delay is only maybe to help you kind of work on yourself little more, be more nurturing, or maybe to figure out how much patience do you have. And if you become impatient, if you try calling them over and over again, if you try to become you want it to happen faster, or you're thinking negative, then you're not kind of giving a right message. So that is why this month it is important that delay is not denial. Kind of keep your mind focused, and opportunities or growth definitely will happen. If you are into a business, again this month, possibility of some kind of money investment, some kind of growth happening, something that you've been waiting for your ships to kind of come in or things to happen. But the only thing is, don't indulge too many people in it, and don't get into power struggles. Don't get into struggles with fights with people, or literal fights, I mean to say. Don't get into that. Don't get into that struggle of thinking too much or making it work faster. Let things happen, let things flow. Ultimately they will give you good results. People who want to move abroad or go for further study, there is a positive card for that. You can either complete your study or kind of clear some exam, or go for further studies. That's the possibility that's there. For your soul growth and soul path, this month is the month of crown opening up. With Ace of Swords, definitely your crown chakra is opening up. And when crown chakra opens up, what happens? When crown chakra opens up, you get more connected with your intuition, you get more connected with your guides and angels, and that's your center card. There's a card of intuition, but on that there is a card of King of Pentacles. And King of Pentacles says that when your crown opens up, you need to be completely grounded. If your lower chakras are balanced, can you actually handle this crown opening up? Otherwise, you'll get into this situation stuck, not knowing what is happening, getting disturbed, getting fearful. So when this happens, ensure that you're grounding yourself every day. Ensure that you're not scared of it. There's nothing to be scared of it. It's a natural process for every soul that is into a human body to happen in one birth or another. And if it is happening to you, it's a good thing. So don't be scared. Just practice grounding. Ensure that you practice grounding. The chakra of the month for you is again crown chakra. So the crown chakra, you can just do silent meditation, or I'm going to share one all chakra meditation in the description box. So just do that all chakra meditation. It will help you ground, it will help you balance your lower chakras, and thereby opening your crown chakra, so there will be nothing to be scared of. The grounding link is also into the description box, so practice that grounding exercise as well. If we talk about your mental exercise of the month, the card is blossoming abundance, and you have that ability to blossom abundance this month. You absolutely have that ability if you believe in yourself, if you let things happen, and if you don't get into that energy disturbance because of abundance happening, or you thought that things will not work out and suddenly they're working out. The affirmation this month for you is abundant wealth blossoms all around me and for me. I see the value in my life, in my everyday life. So do this affirmation every day. You can say things like, my life is abundant, abundance is flowing into my life every day, I see abundance everywhere around me and in my life. So you can say things like that, and they are going to really help you get this abundance in your life. The number of the month for you, number 2, number 3, both are going to be good for you. Color of the month, any shade of violet, purple, golden are going to be good for you. Deep blue, burgundy, all those shades are going to be good for you. The surrender message for the month. The first surrender message is surrender unhealthy relationships. Let go of the relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. You deserve to be treasured by others and be surrounded by positive people. Like I said, if you are into a relationship which is only struggle, which is only fight, then let go of that. It's not working out for you. A better relationship is definitely waiting for you. Second surrender message of the month is surrender obsessive thinking. If you are obsessing about a person or situation, turn the dilemma over to spirit. Doing so will help you bring clarity and even solve the problem. And that is why I'm saying that this month you don't have to be obsessive or only thinking about a particular thing or situation or trying to solve it. The more you let go, the better it is going to be, and the sooner it is going to be sorted. The unicorn message is freedom. Let the unicorn set you free, and you have that ability to set yourself free from negativity, from unhealthy thoughts, from obsessive thinking. Use that ability this month. What will happen if you follow the guidance of the cards, and what is the angel message? The card is solutions. It says success that comes from objective compromise, self-control and patience, forgiving and healing energy. And this is the month to give you that success, and you have to get into that zone where you're forgiving, where you're healing, where you're balanced, where you are actually letting things happening and not juggling too much with the things. And when you do that, you'll see things happening in a more positive way in your life. If you want to understand more about souls, or if you want to develop your intuition, or if you want to learn tarot cards, there are videos on my channel about all of that, even how to let go of your stress. So you can go to the channel whenever you find time, watch those videos. If you like something, let there be feedback, so leave the comment for me. Share the video with everyone that you can if you find the video useful. And also, if you want to know more than this, you can contact me through the Facebook link that is in the description box, or through the comment section. You just have to write, I want my reading. I will share my number, will take it forward from there. Also, ensure that you're not struggling too much this month. And if you like the video, press the like button, share the video with everyone that you can, subscribe the channel if you can, and I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.